Hey everybody, coming back with a few cards that I picked up recently for my PCs that I got. Let's start with the Frank Gore. Got a nice 3-color patch from SPX, numbered out of 50. Pretty nice. From Press Pass, got an autograph. He's in his Miami Hurricanes jersey, so that's pretty nice. That one's kind of unique, numbered 1 out of 100. For my Dunn Simpson PC, picked up a few cards here. Got a nice 3-color patch on the left, 1-color patch from SPX, numbered out of 99. From SP Rookie Threads, numbered out of 75, I got a 2-color, 1-color. National Treasures, I got a duel of Dunn Simpson and Andre Caldwell. Caldwell's on the left, 2 colors, Simpson's on the right, 3 colors. That one's pretty nice, numbered out of 25. Absolute Memorabilia, got a nice autograph 2-color patch. The autograph's pretty unique, he put number 89 on there. Normally he just signs JS, so that one's pretty nice, numbered out of 15. And then the best card I picked up recently is this autograph bat piece from 2001 Fleer Platinum, Adam Dunn. Lumberjacks, so that one's not numbered, but that one's pretty nice right there. So let me know if anybody has any Adam Dunn or Dunn Simpson, Frank Gore, want to trade anything or sell anything, let me know what you got. That's what I got for you. Thanks.